So what we have here today is a oil change on a lawnmower that's got a Powermore engine on it. It's 173 cc's. This happens to take 20 ounces or 600 milliliters of 10W30 oil, and I'll show you how to do that today. Before we start, we'll go ahead and disconnect the spark plug. Don't pull it by the wire, just by this elbow connector here. And next what we'll do is loosen the cap on the oil dipstick. Okay, I placed the lawnmower on a couple of sawhorses on this pretty level ground here, and we will take a 10 millimeter and loosen up the drain bolt on the bottom and drain the oil into that little bucket that I have there. Now that the oil is fully drained, you want to make sure that this aluminum crush washer is on there, and we'll go ahead and reinstall that. We'll go ahead and tighten that up just a little over snug. We'll go ahead, completely remove the dipstick here and place a funnel in there. I'll put 20 ounces of 10W30 oil in there, and I'm going to check it several times to make sure that it is in the X area only and not above that. This particular engine is similar to a Honda. If it gets too much oil in there, it'll saturate your air filter, and it's going to be blowing smoke out all the time, and you'll need to replace your air filter as well. I'm not sure how well the camera is picking that up, but it is right to the full mark there of the X's. We'll go ahead and attach our spark plug so it snaps on. We'll take it off the sawhorses there and properly dispose of the oil, and we're all done.